Okay, guys, we are going to dress Bear up a little bit here. You can see these headlights are frosted like that. It's 2008, and so many of those are from those years. So I'm going to put some new headlights on Bear. I'll show you how to do it too. Okay, this is going to be relatively easy. There's only 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Looks like that one's going to be a little tight to get to. So first of all, we'll pop this out of here. It should just pop up. There we go. Okay, now we're gonna do the bolts. Okay, got all 4 bolts out. Now you're gonna see when I pull it out, it's got 2 tabs over here that it kind of snaps into to the body. So I'll unsnap that. You gotta tug it kind of. Oh, that wasn't too bad. Okay. Okay, yeah, just took 2 hands instead of 1. This pin goes right here, and of course this tab and this tab here and here. So now we got the blinker and the high beam and the low beam, and these are just the new headlight comes with bulbs in it. So we just got to push these tabs. It's gonna take 2 hands, but push this here, this one here, yep. And this one, same thing. They're all a little bit different, but you got to push on the tab. I'll show you in a second. Here's the headlight, guys. I got this from rockauto.com, and I think they were 129 a piece, I think. I'll show you here. Isn't that pretty? Let me show you these connectors. Okay, this one here would be the top one. I broke the little tab right there. I think we'll still be okay. Push it on the negative. And these, you got to push that. That's the little one in the middle. And this one, you have to push that. And yeah, they feel a little bit brittle. I had to get on this one with the needle nose pliers, and I was careful. I'm glad it didn't break. But that's what it took, because it's hard to get my fat fingers down there to squeeze it. So anyway, I'll show you when it's done. We're just going to go back together the same way we came apart. I'll let you know if there's anything significant you guys need to know. Okay, I'm going to show you guys a little hack here, because the bottom bolts on both sides here, the bolt wants to fall out of the socket. This is a hack that I learned way back in my Air Force days. You guys probably didn't know I was a jet engine mechanic, 30 years, more than 30 years ago. But anyway, if you stuff a piece of paper or the plastic or something in there, it'll hold that bolt in so you can get it started. So anyway, just a little mechanic hack there. Okay, don't forget to put that clip back on. I almost did. Just look at this. What a difference. Let's close the hood here. See what Bear looks like. Wow. Doesn't that look good? Okay, guys, you can do this yourself. You don't need to pay anybody. I'm not sure. I would probably pay double for the headlights, and however many dollars an hour to some mechanic to do this. So anyway, that's it for this one. Love you guys. Love each and every one of you. God bless you. Please subscribe. And if you're new to the channel, we're an adventure channel, but I also do all kinds of DIY stuff on the travel trailer and the pickup or whatever else needs fixed. So God bless. Hit that notification bell. See you in a few days.